Welcome to this Japandi Style House Design room tour, where Japanese serenity blends seamlessly with Scandinavian warmth. In this video narration, we'll explore how minimalism, natural materials, and thoughtful details come together to create a home that feels calm, balanced, and deeply personal. Japandi is not just about how a house looks, but how it feels to live in it every day. This tour invites you to slow down, observe textures, light, and proportions, and understand the philosophy behind each space. At the heart of Japandi design lies a fusion of two design cultures that value simplicity and craftsmanship. From Japan, we get wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection and aging gracefully. From Scandinavia, we inherit functionality, comfort, and coziness. Together, they form interiors that are uncluttered yet warm, minimal yet inviting. This philosophy guides every decision in the house, from layout planning to furniture selection, ensuring each room feels intentional and timeless. The Japandi Style House exterior often appears modest and understated, avoiding unnecessary ornamentation. Clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials like wood, stone, or textured concrete define the facade. Large windows are thoughtfully placed to invite natural light while maintaining privacy. The exterior design sets the tone for the interior, signaling calmness and harmony even before stepping inside, and creating a strong connection between architecture, landscape, and daily living. Stepping into the entryway, the atmosphere immediately slows you down. Japandi entry spaces are designed as a transition zone between the outside world and the inner sanctuary of the home. Minimal furniture, natural wood finishes, and soft lighting help create a welcoming yet uncluttered impression. Storage is discreetly integrated to keep visual noise low, allowing the entryway to feel open, breathable, and emotionally grounding from the very first step. The living room embodies the essence of Japandi style by combining simplicity with comfort. Low-profile furniture, neutral color palettes, and natural fabrics create a relaxed and balanced environment. Instead of decorative excess, the focus is on quality pieces with clean forms and tactile textures. Soft daylight, filtered through sheer curtains, enhances the calm atmosphere, making this space ideal for both quiet reflection and intimate gatherings with family or close friends. In the Japandi dining area, function and beauty coexist effortlessly. A solid wood dining table often becomes the centerpiece, paired with simple chairs that prioritize comfort and craftsmanship. The color palette remains muted, allowing materials and proportions to speak for themselves. Lighting is warm and focused, creating an intimate ambience that elevates daily meals into meaningful rituals, reinforcing the Japandi belief that everyday moments deserve thoughtful design. The kitchen in a Japandi style house is designed to feel calm, organized, and highly functional. Flat front cabinetry, hidden storage, and integrated appliances help maintain visual simplicity. Natural materials like wood and stone are balanced with modern finishes for durability. The layout emphasizes efficiency and flow, making cooking feel less like a task and more like a mindful activity, aligned with the overall philosophy of intentional living. The Japandi bedroom is a true retreat, designed to promote rest and emotional balance. Low beds, soft linens, and neutral tones create a grounded and soothing atmosphere. Decorations are minimal, often limited to a single artwork or handcrafted object with personal meaning. Natural textures and gentle lighting encourage relaxation, making the bedroom a space where the mind can truly unwind, free from distractions and unnecessary visual stimulation. Bathrooms in Japandi homes feel like private spas, emphasizing cleanliness, calm, and sensory comfort. Neutral tiles, wooden accents, and matte finishes create a soft, natural aesthetic. Storage is concealed to keep surfaces uncluttered, while lighting is designed to be warm and flattering. Every element is carefully chosen to support a feeling of quiet luxury, transforming daily routines into moments of calm and self-care. Japandi design shines through its attention to materials and small details. Natural wood grains, linen fabrics, handcrafted ceramics, and subtle imperfections add character without overwhelming the space. Instead of bold statements, Japandi interiors rely on restraint and consistency. Each object earns its place through function or meaning, reinforcing the idea that a well-designed home doesn't need much, only what truly matters. This Japandi Style House Design room tour shows that true beauty lies in balance, simplicity, and intention. By blending Japanese and Scandinavian principles, Japandi creates homes that are not only visually calming but emotionally supportive. It's a design approach that encourages mindful living, appreciation of craftsmanship, and a deeper connection to space. More than a trend, Japandi is a timeless lifestyle choice for modern living.